This lecture is about how Muslims have contributed to the field of economics throughout history. The foundation. It all starts with the basic rules from the Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, PB Hain. These rules focus on being fair, honest, and just in all money matters. Key ideas include Zakat, giving a small part of your wealth each year to help the poor. No Riba, a ban on charging interest on loans to prevent exploitation. Fair trade, being honest in business and not cheating customers. Early thinkers. After the Prophet, peace be upon him, smart Muslim scholars started writing down detailed economic ideas. For example, Abu Yusuf talked about fair taxes. Al-Ghazali said ethics are very important in business. Ibn Taymiyyah explained that prices should be set by supply and demand in the market. Ibn Khaldun is famous for his theory on why civilizations and their economies rise and fall. Practical implementation. The early Islamic governments, especially the Rightly Guided Caliphs, put these ideas into practice. They set up a public treasury, Bayt al-Mal, regulated markets with inspectors, and built infrastructure to help trade.